I'm Lucy and I'm the Senior Vice Captain for Durham Amateur Rowing Club. I started rowing about 4 years ago when I did the Learn to Row course here at Durham. And ever since I was hooked. I really enjoyed it and I love rowing on this stretch of the river here. The thing I love about rowing is being able to get outside onto the water when it's nice and sunny especially, but it's also lovely getting out in the winter and enjoy the river in its peace and quiet. A typical training session when we're out on the water includes a quick warm-up and then some technical stuff, so getting better blade work for example, and then we'll do some pieces where we basically do a practice race.
My favourite part about training is when we're all together in the gym, training as a team, and when competing, my favourite part is when we're there for each other no matter if we win or lose. During training, my teammates and my coaches, they give you both inspiration and motivation to lift the weights heavy and do well during ergs. And during racing, we're always prepped a couple of days before, especially with loading trailers, just to make sure we've got everything, taking the stress off for the race day.
I really wanted to become more physically active, so I joined Durham ARC in about September 2016. And really it was quite ideal because a group of other lads about my age started on the same day and haven't really looked back since, to be honest. I have 6 training sessions a week. 4 of them will be on the water here, and they'll be a mixture of long endurance sessions where I go out and do quite a lot of mileage on the water, and shorter, more intense sessions, which may be, for example, sprints, training for regattas. I'll have 2 land-based sessions, which will be a mixture of bit on the ergo and possibly weights as well. So it's a bit of a mixture. I mean, most of my training is focused on being on the water.
The most challenging part about rowing is definitely the early mornings, getting up at 8 o'clock on a Sunday, but also training in the rubbish weather. So when it's lashing down with rain or it's freezing cold outside, that can be quite difficult, but it's well worth it when you get out, see the sunrise on the water, and also there's that sort of team aspect that everyone's doing it together. Rowing is a bit of a time commitment. A really good thing is usually the rowing is early mornings or in the evening, so you can really fit it around your work pattern. And the other thing is we're flexible in terms of when you can make it down. Just come down when you can.
I balance my schoolwork with rowing by coming down from school early and getting my work done at the club before training, and then after school I will do most of my homework, especially on a weekend as well.
When you start rowing, initially it's hard, there's a lot of technique to learn, but after a while when you start to improve you catch the rowing bug. Rowing becomes part of your day-to-day routine. Quite a lot of the time you'll be training for a competition which is coming up, which means that you have to go out in rough conditions. It's very much a year-round sport. The main reason I participate in the sport really is just for enjoyment really. I think it's great for physical activity. I think it's great for your mental health to be physically active as well, and it's a sport that involves being outdoors. You're not sort of stuck on a treadmill in a gym or somewhere like that. I think it's brilliant. We're very lucky to have a wonderful facility here in Durham.
My most memorable moment when I've been rowing at Durham Amateur Rowing Club has to be going down to Henley Women's Regatta in June 2023 and had a great time down there. We worked our socks off beforehand to get down there and it was just amazing to row down on that river. Durham Amateur Rowing Club is a great club to be involved in. It's got a really good community atmosphere and everyone really helps each other out. Everyone chips in to make sure the club runs smoothly as well. So if you're really interested in joining rowing, I would definitely recommend it.